Hi guys, Down Under Monkey, and I'm going to try and pick this master lock I got off my mate Nick. It is a dead shackle but sprung core. Well, let's see, let me push the shackle back in. It does work. It's a bloody heavy lock, this thing, and all steel, so goes with the rest of my half rounds. So I guess we'll give it a pick. Now, it's got that on the key, 6000B. I don't believe I've seen that designation before. But anyway, this is, oh actually that's probably the series of lock, because on the card it says 6230D, that says 6230, and that says 6000B. I don't know. Thought I found a link between everything then, like a Da Vinci Code. Anyway, this one has pick resistant Pro Series 5-pin cylinder and a lifetime guarantee. Wonder if that goes for when you're picking it. Anyway, let's chuck it in the vise. Let's see if we can't overcome that pick resistant 5-pin cylinder. Because why not? Come on, old faithful. See if you fit this to a little bit tight. Might give that a miss. Don't want to damage the keyway, so I'll use my medium tension bar. The problem here too is the spring in this core, it is so tight to turn. I'll try and give you a visual gauge. And there's just a standard tension bar, but for me to turn that back, look how much bend that bar gets on it. Mind you, that's straight. Look at the bend on that bar to open it. Anyway, that's a gauge, I guess. Well, my attempt at it. Alrighty, let's get stuck into this. 5-pin pick resistant cylinder. I suspect the spring is going to give me some grief, only because it is so tight. Anyway, being a master, it probably has some sort of serrations, possibly some sort of spool, who knows. It's a mixed bag sometimes with master. Oh, there's a false set, so there's definitely a spool in there, and one of the back pins definitely felt like serrated. Now the issue I've got is counter rotation. Because this spring is so hard, I'm not really going to be feeling a hell of a lot of counter rotation. Spongy at the back. Now, is that counter, or is that just the spring? There's a little bit of counter rotation. Doesn't feel like that one is. Nope. Right. The difficult part of it, deciphering what's counter rotation. That might be a little bit. Oh, nearly lost the tension bar. I slipped off. And I think everything just fell straight back down again. Oh, I just nudged one and it dropped us back into a false set. Maybe it's one that's given the issue. No. One feels set. Two kind of feels set. 3 is not set. think I just slipped off again. Nope, there it is. You beauty. That's my first crack at picking that. Alright, we've got time. I suppose we should gut it. What do we got in there? Allen key. One of the Imperial Allen keys. Because American built locks use the Imperial system instead of metric like all the other normal countries. Beauty, it's not a crimped core, it has that weird little thing, so I'm going to lock that back up only because it's easier to get the circlip off when it's locked. And get off there. I don't know where I got this tool, but it works. So anyway, it's very greasy. I don't know if you can see my fingers. This lock has a lot of grease in it because it's obviously brand new, straight out of the packet. Where's a follower? Oh, sorry, that's probably really loud. Arg. Alright, so it's pinned to 5, but it has the capability to be 6. Pull that out. They all had to be picked. The bitting was pretty woeful, to be honest. Just a gradual step down. You could probably almost just get your pick in there and just put it on an angle and lift it. Well, that's cool. I don't mind. Whoa. Nearly a disaster. Right, that's not going to work. Here's my little tweezers. Because there's so much grease, the pins are not really just falling out. So there's a standard in 1. Come on, stay up. Come on. Nope, nope, nope. Alright, so I'll push that sideways. Pull them out like that. So far, all standard, and I just push that one in, so I'll get that one in a second. And I just dropped in the other pin hole. Welcome to World's Worst Gutting. Yeah, standard cores, you would expect so much from a standard lock. Alright, let's see what's up inside here. I'll give you a close up on these in a minute. Ooh, cute little spool. And another cute little spool. And you guessed it, another cute little spool. See the little spool? Tiny little spool. And 5. Hang on, we got some springs jumping the gun as well. Come on, there it is. And 5 was a serrated, as I suspected, because it felt like it was serrated when I was picking on it. And we got 2 rogue springs that don't want to show their face on camera. And obviously a stock standard core. But there you have it. 4 cute little spools and 1 serrated pin at the back. Not a lot going on in this lock. Well, there is, but the bitting was quite flat. So, like I said, you could probably almost get your pick and just match that bitting almost identically. Just lift all the pins at once and give the lock a turn. Maybe I'll try that in another video. There you have it. Master half round, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good night. See ya.